Hello everyone, it's Saturday 18th of September. This morning I went to my local car boot sale flea market, and I didn't want to go mad because I don't have a massive amount of room left in the shed at the moment. So I was mainly looking for small things, and this is what I bought. We have a Moore and Wright micrometer. It's 0 to 1 inch in thousandths of an inch. As you can see, it's in absolutely as new condition, really. The chap had several of these micrometers, a couple more Moore and Wrights, another brand I wasn't familiar with, but he didn't really know what they were for. I told him they were precision micrometer tools, and that given that they were in inches, they weren't that useful to me. But he said make him an offer for what I wanted, so this was £1. He also had these. I should show you the box. Moore and Wright radius gauge, 2 of. This one is in decimals of an inch. This one is in fractions. Well, I guess they're for measuring internal radiuses for machining purposes. I don't think they'll be much use to me. If anybody thinks that they are still a useful tool out there in the world, perhaps they could comment accordingly. Anyway, those were 50p each. Probably a good price for what they are. I got this sanding pad, 50p, a nice Wesco oiler. That must be about the 4th small oiler I've picked up in recent weeks. Anyway, it seems to have a good action. That was 50p. These two items, one's a rat tail file, which obviously is a file. I don't know what this is. It's got triangular surfaces. I've cleaned a couple of the surfaces. If you know what it's for, I'd be interested to hear in the comments. The handle's well split, but the point is quite sharp. So yeah, mystery item. I finally got myself an SDS chisel bit for £2. I got this turn screw, which was extremely rusty. Both sides the same. It was all rust up here, but I've had a go cleaning it as I suspected. It's a brass ferrule. The handle was all rusty, so that just washed clean. I've had a go on the blade on the other side. It's beginning to clean up. I can't quite make out, because of the rust, who that maker is, but it's something like Wale, Sheffield. Anyway, that'll be interesting to get to the end of. And the last real collection was these small items from a toolbox. We've got an M10 tap, a punch and a set, and this one says made in England on it. That one I can't quite read yet. Small brass handled screwdriver. The tip has been mightily savaged, so that'll need a little bit of grinding on the belt sander. I'll just show you another one I've got like that. So they come out really nice, good to have on your wall, ready for precision screwdriving. I've got this, I presume this is a darning hook, rusted solid, but I look forward to getting that freed up. Wood handle, so quite nice old thing. And a pussy knife, I presume it's a pussy knife of this shape. I didn't have one of this shape before, I don't think. So that went in the bag. That lot was £1, and that concludes my purchases. Thanks very much for watching that. I just thought I'd show you, for the benefit of Mr. Time Flies in the shop, how the footprint pad saw handle cleaned up, and just to show, that doesn't even fit in there. The rusty bit of the blade was okay, but still massively pitted. But the rest of the blade is in there, so it goes to quite a long one in the end. There we are. Thanks a lot, and please leave a comment. I don't think I mentioned this, did I? This is I think a military issue knife, probably navy, given it's got a marlin spike. It's got, looks like 37 on the blade there. Whether that's a model number or part of the year of manufacture, I don't know. Anyway, that was in a bucket of rusty tools, from whence this turn screw also came. This was £2, turn screw was £1. I had picked out a whole load of tools and presented them to the vendor, and he said £15, so I put them all back because I'm not prepared to spend that kind of money on rusty gold. But I thought this was worth it for the price. So thanks very much.